Hello, today my name is Sreecharan. My registration number is CR15CS134. I'm given a program in order to find the union and intersection of any two sorted arrays. In this program, I need to give the input of any two arrays and set to find out the union and intersection. I have created a source code in order to uh, solve the given problem. The first thing I declared is the basic header files and the namespace SCD, which help me to reduce my work while doing the standard cout and input statements. Further, I have declared two functions, which is to be int set1 and int set2. I have declared two variables, that is m and n. And for intersection also, I have declared two functions, int set1 and int set2, and I have declared int m and int n. Here my program starts. I gave int main, and further I have given int a of 10 and b of 10, which is array a and array b. And further I have given m and n, which helps me in order to store the number of elements in this set. First I have given the cout statement where I need to enter the number of elements in first set, and I have a cin statement I give in order to read the statement. And further I have given a cout statement where I can enter the number and enter all the elements. Further I have I used a for loop in order to display all the inserted elements. uh, Here I have I did the same process in order to store the elements in the second set. And here I took my variable to be n. The input I have given the values, and further I used a for loop in order to store the elements in the set 2. And I have given a cout statement in order to display the declared elements in the second set. And here I have used a switch statement where I previously have declared a character where I created a menu where in the switch statement, if I give my option to be 1, it will be union 2, if intersection 3, it is exit. So I've case 1 is union. Here I've used variables such as a, b, m and n, and intersection also the same. And case 3 is the exit statement where I have given break directly, which exits the statement. Now further, here I started my program. In union, first I have given my a to be 10, b to be 10, and I have given two variables m and n. Now first I have declared my value of c to be 20, c to be the resultant matrix, resultant array. In for loop, first I've stored all of my elements a of I in c, and k will be incremented here, as you can see. Further, if no element is equal, then these get displayed, where a flag will be equal to 0. If this doesn't happen, then j equal to 0, j less than m, and j plus plus, this will be going on. Now, and if it is equal, any of the elements appear to be equal, all those elements will be stored in flag equal to 1. Now, and if flag equal to 0, then all the elements will be stored in C. So this cout resultant set will be displayed for union. Now in same, while in intersection, if I've used a for loop where now the values of I get stored in B. All this will be stored in flag equal to 1. If flag equal to 1, all the stored elements will be in C of I. Then if k equal to 0, only the common elements will be displayed. So I have given my slash n to be the resultant set, else the elements which are in the resultant set are displayed. And further I have given my cout statement in order to display the resultant array. Now I am going to run and show this. First I have given enter the number of elements in first set. I take it to be 5. The elements are 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. And now the elements in the first set are displayed over here, as you can see. And now I am going to enter the number of elements in second set. I take it also to be 5, and I give my elements as 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now as I use the switch case in order to create the menu, it asks me for the first what choice I need, so I give my choice to be 1, which is union, and I get the elements of the resultant set to be 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 5. As you see, these elements which are in both sets doesn't repeat. And further I have taken it to be my choice to be 2, which is intersection. Here the elements are 1, 2 and 7 which are repeated, so it gets displayed. Thank you.